What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Right now, guys, me and Riley are going fishing right now at this beautiful pond lake type thing. I'm using a little minnow right now. Not nothing too good. I mean, there's little fish over here. Look like some bluegill. Not 100% what it is. Like, they're small, but bluegill type. So not 100%, but you see them every so often. They're kind of swimming down this way. But if you go over here, I know there was, or there's some bamboo sticks. There's extension cords. There's all the fish right there. All right, guys, I'm gonna turn this camera around. Y'all will see. Guys, there's the fish right there. So I'm gonna kind of like drop this in, see what they think. See if I can catch something. It's kind of backing off. Kind of backing off. Not too shabby. All right, y'all. I'll get back to y'all in a minute. All right, guys. Here we go. We're gonna cast our minnow. Hopefully we catch some on this. Grab it, fish. Guys, all I caught was grass. Could be how the minnow is. We're catching a lot of slimy stuff that we don't like and we don't want. We don't want that, you know? We don't want any of that. You can see fish, but you can't, like, it's rather just jump in there and grab one myself, but it's cold out. There's decent sized fish in here, but like, look at all of them. They're all right there. If y'all can see them, they're plotting and waiting. Riley's way over there. All the way over there, actually. It's not that far. But yeah, they're all going this way. I mean, if I can get something smaller on there, or something that's like live bait, then we might be able to like catch something. But by the looks of it, the most that they'll do is take my bait and run with it, because that's what small fish are really like to do. They like to play with the bait, and I'm not for it. Just want to catch them, release them. Guys, we're not doing no harm to these fish, by the way. Just catching and releasing them, having fun. Not 100%. Oh, that's what I could put on there. One of these small dudes. That'd be cool. Alright, we're gonna try this real quick, because at the end of the day, at least we tried. So we're gonna try this little guy right here. I have a whole bunch of stuff, but there's only, I think, 2 types of fish in here, and we don't really want that. We want, or 2 types of fish, so we gotta be somewhat careful. Oh, 4 drop. There we go. This is what I had on there. Alright, I'm gonna drop that right up on there. Hopefully, the hook don't decide to go in my hand, how it normally does. Because I really wasn't planning to record today, so that's why I don't have the GoPro on. It's very peaceful around here, y'all. Something's jumping over that way. Basically, y'all, Riley is trying to find me some type of live bait because that's what we're mostly needing right now. And I forgot to grab some. I wasn't really planning that we were supposed to go fishing today, because I was doing stuff with her and came up here with her. So, guys, we're gonna throw this thing back in one more time. Bright colors. Let's see what's popping. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, attracting fish. Almost got one. Guys, they're out there. Big fish plucked at my stuff. So that's good. Let's give me a minute. We're gonna switch around cameras real quick. Alright. We'll do something. We'll let some more line out. Now we're gonna kind of release it a little bit. Alright, y'all. We're still trying. Well, we're getting close to something because fish have been coming up. But we have been coming close. Well, the bad part is we're not really getting no luck with it. So, I think we need something smaller because they're not really liking it. They open their mouth a couple times. We do have fake worms. So I might try that because they see that, they're like, ooh, and then hopefully it works. I do have these. So we're gonna try this. Hopefully it gets us somewhere. I'm gonna put 2 of the worms on there because more of that, like the more bait you have, the more you can attract. And that's what we want right now. We want to at least catch something. Okay. All right. Put that up in there. Riley's coming back over. We're gonna. All right. So we gotta do. So we're gonna take this knife out. Kind of poke it. Just coming back over here. So, guys, back to you guys in a minute. And if I catch anything, so see you soon. What's up, guys? So we me and Riley, all right, so we're at, where were we? We were at your family's house yesterday. Yeah. And now we're like, what? We're somewhere else, and we found this. And we plan on going fishing here sometime. So for what? Soon there will be. Oh, my phone almost fell. Here, let's start walking this way. Walking this way, cause why not? Watch out for these rocks. Okay. Hear people talking. I just don't know where they're at. So, yeah, this looks pretty cool, y'all. Is there anything on my face?
No.
Oh, I'm just wondering. I'm like, a bit weird. Take the 4-wheeler over here. Guys, stay tuned. Like and subscribe for sure. What the heck is that? What are you doing?
Looking something up.
But what?
I'm looking at a park like that we could go to or something.
Like walking distance type thing?
Mm-hmm. Keep going.
Is it this way?
No, there is no park closed.
Because we're out in the open too.
I know.
Like in the open. Like Riley's type open.
What is that green thing?
Those are trees.
No, there's a bright green thing.
Oh yeah, you saw it?
Yeah,
it's like taped off. I don't know. Something green over here, y'all.
Stay alert, Billy.
Hmm?
Stay alert, Billy.
Those are cones, it looks like. Guys, we're chilling. Cones. Cones or cones?
You said
oh, look, there's a soccer goal over there. That's cool.
Babe.
Huh?
Look at that little white thing over there. You see anything?
Let's walk around.
Yeah, but you take pictures eventually.
Oh, that
In
would.
the summer we're getting so many pictures. Just wait.
That'd be cool.
Oh, we're gonna.
Here's frisbee golf. I think I got that right.
Sand. I haven't seen sand in a lifetime.
What's that over there? Straight ahead. See it?
What is this? What is this?
That's this?
Yeah.
This is like frisbee golf. It's frisbee, but it's golf.
That's okay.
Go ahead. I mean,
What to do?
basically you throw it. Like, you don't throw that. You throw the frisbee. Look, so if I was on there, I would try to aim for that, basically.
So,
It's golf, but with frisbees.
why is there a big hole?
Oh, because what the?
Drop zone. Drop zone. Yeah. Okay then.
We're out of here.
It's a bit odd.
It's a bit odd.
Hey, these things used to stick to me and I hated it.
Hey, look, there's a tractor over there. She just threw one at me.
I wanted the stupid stick.
It's messed up. Oh, there's a tractor over there.
Can we ride it?
I mean,
Hey, wait, what's over there?
It's a soccer field. Oh, look, there's volleyball. It's like a baseball field type thing.
Susie would love it here.
There's electric.
Hey!
Hmm.
I want to go work on it and ask if they'll pay me.
Looks like a swings over there, but it's...
Oh, wait, there's a little farm.
There's what?
There's a little farm.
Oh, that'd be cool. Look at this, guys. Future fishing spot. I can't talk. Here, listen. I want to go open to the open one. What?
I want to see like fish.
We'll probably see more on that side. Or any. Whoa.
What is this?
Metal. You can tell it gets deep, and you can tell it's really, really cold right now.
Mm-hmm.
What is this place? Oh, there's a playground if you want. Just playing.
Actually? Oh. Okay. Wait, is that a dog here?
No, that's the pond.
Oh.
This, the other, like, not pond, but you know what I'm talking about. Look,
Mom, look right
guys, there's a pond. It's like, oh, that's special. All right, so he caught some over there, and he caught. Oh, it's open. Guys,
Oh.
you want to?
Do I?
What happens if we get like trapped in there? What is this? What center is this? Is this like a church? DC, what's that mean? This is,
daycare.
guys, comment down below if this like
That's why there's a little
trespassing. Oh, yeah, makes sense.
There's so many. They just all jumped in. There's like 5 of them. What the
That's
heck?
cool. Here, let's walk down this way.
Wait, I'm gonna catch one.
Oh, look. Are those the ball thingies?
Where?
Are those the tadpoles right there? Might just be me. I think it's me tripping.
Oh no, those are leaves, dude.
Oh. Well then. I tried. I don't know. I think we should come like over here tomorrow or something. GoPro. Look how deep it goes, you know?
Just jumped in.
Guys, comment down below if y'all want to see a fishing video with the GoPro and me and Riley go fishing. What is that? Is that a turtle right there?
Is it? I think it is, Gabe. It is. Is it? It has legs.
It is. Hold on.
That thing's big. Yeah, it is. Is it?
Right there, guys. Right here. Yeah, that is.
Yeah, I got a picture of it.
Oh, almost ran into this. Oh, this is... No. Don't throw... Go over here. Let's see it. Don't be rude to the thing. Let's go over here and see if we can...
I'm gonna be rude to it.
Look at that hole over there.
I want to throw something at it.
Why? It's rude.
Hey, there's more fish.
Where?
They're in here. They jump in.
Oh.
And you walk. You'll see them.
Here, we have to go this way.
I really don't think that's a turtle.
What?
I really don't think that's a turtle.
It is. Hurry, it's swimming. Yeah. See, it went under.
Oh, wow.
Told you.
That thing was big. It's a snapping turtle.
You think?
For sure.
But I can't really see none now.
I know, I'm a little scared.
It was like right. It was like right over here. So.
Alright, let's just be quiet and see if it'll come back out.
I feel like if we go back around, because this is like at risk of falling in.
I know.
Here, let's go. We gotta keep you safe out here. Guys, we're going on bike rides today.
Alright, we should be quiet then. See if it'll come back out.
Trying. Alright, let's go. Oh, never mind. That was it. Alright, guys. Guys. Where? That's not it. Alright, guys. So, we're trying to see the turtle. It could either be a regular turtle or a snapping turtle. I say we just jump in and get it. I'm just playing. Here, come on, here. Bubbles coming up right there. What would you do if it started running at you?
Kiss it.
You would what?
I'm gonna throw a pine cone at it when it comes out.
You know what?
I want to throw a pine cone at it.
Why?
Because I want to see.
It's rude. I'm a scream. Where? Where? I'm not moving no more. Well, I don't like being gated in. What?
There's tadpole eggs.
What was that?
There's tadpole eggs, man.
Oh.
Is that?
Alright. Guys, this is pretty cool.
There's tadpole eggs.
For real?
Regular tadpole, so it means they're not very cold.
Could be going all the way at the bottom. Could be getting cold. What? Bubbles. Alright, I'm gonna start walking this way. Imagine if it started chasing you. That would have been funny.
I'm gonna jump on you.
Why? What happens if I roll into the water? By accident, of course. By accident. I'll go this way. Hopefully I can see it again. I hope you guys got to see it. Hopefully it's over here because I really want to see it again. It's all woods. The heck? Look, it's standing there. Okay, guys. I don't see it. Yeah, guys, that's weird. Alright, guys, so we're gonna walk that way and kind of head back. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit because talking is not gonna be too interesting. So see you guys in a few. Guys, we are gonna wrap it up for today's video. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys like and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.